Etrack is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. Etrack is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to etrack that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the etrack small hanger hook from Mytee products. This is a great accessory you can use in your van, trailer, or anywhere you have etrack installed. You can use it to hang items and keep your workspace organized. It features a solid one-piece construction. Mytee products' small etrack hanger is 7.5 inches long and the hook is 4.5 inches tall. There's a 1 3/4 inch clearance in between the two prongs, so tools can fit snugly between. Let's step out and see how it's used. Simply insert the small hanger hook into any standard etrack fitting. As you can see, its two-prong design securely holds tools in place. You can also use it to hang hoses, wires, ropes, and more. You can even use it to hang your coat. The best part is that because of its etrack fitting, you can easily remove the hanger and insert any other etrack accessory with ease. Use the small etrack hanger from Mytee products to hang items and keep your trailer or workspace organized and clutter-free. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your small etrack hanger today. While you're there, browse our wide variety of etrack accessories.